going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a full shop. It's all super busy in here. What's up, Pops? Hey, how you doing?
Doing good, you?
Yes, sir. Good. Doing good. Look who we got right here, just working away, little busy bee. What are you doing to her, Nate?
Figuring out how to put it back together.
Ooh, this thing is looking slick too.
Complicated. Like, why is it so complicated?
Hey, it's a Mercedes, man. It's a Mercedes. But look how slick this thing is. We usually wet them down right before the customer shows up. That way you can't see any imperfections. What is this guy doing? What are you doing, sir?
Oh man, I picked up the wrong gun.
That looks really good. What you talking about, bro? That's actually really nice. Very nice.
Don't film the rest of them.
Wow, I think that looks really good.
Not a bad weld for a painter.
No, you a welder now, bud. Now I can.
Wrong gun.
I can retire from welding.
No. You want to switch? I don't think you do.
I used to paint, man. I can't do it no more. I can't. I just don't.
Reason why you don't do it no more.
I don't have patience for it no more. I just can't. I can't even tape a car up, man.
All right, leave me alone.
All right. We are back on the G-Wagon, and the goal for today is to get this frame rail isolated from the engine and any sort of lines that might be running alongside of it that we don't want to burn. And then we will get the water over here, we'll get everything ready, and we'll heat that rail up and try to pull this thing on out. So I got everything removed. As you guys can see, we have full access. It was a bunch of junk under there, man. It had this pump under there. It had all these guts. Look at all these lines. This is insane. I honestly don't even know how this thing's gonna go all back together, but I guess it will. Another thing that I found out, which is really like not good news at all. This right here is going to be my clickbait title, even though it's not clickbait. Ah, look at that. Yeah, that means both frame rails are yoinked, which also brings us to the question, is it worth fixing at this point? I don't know. I don't know. Starting to think maybe not. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I've lost a lot of motivation after seeing that other frame rail. I kid you not, man. It really got to my heart, man. I was hoping it was just gonna be that rail, although I was kind of expecting to find more damage. Just the fact that this other rail is kinked is such a big problem for me, because that means now I have to strip this entire side of the rail and heat it and pull it, but it's okay, we're gonna get it done. You guys know what I always say, never quit, never give up, unless she's ugly. Also, check out these little damages right here. We've got the water pump housing broken, the part that connects to the actual radiator. We've got this thing right here that's broken. I honestly don't even know what this is. It looks like there's like a little urinal cake in there or something, I don't know. Then also, water to air intercooler, look at that. That is not good at all. Once that right there loses its circular form, it's not gonna fit in that pipe good no more, and it's gonna leak. Now you could try to straighten that out, but you risk blowing up your Mercedes. So here's my plan. As you guys can see, this thing is just absolutely disgusting. It's turned my frame machine into a pigsty. And I can't stand this kind of squalor. So what I want to do is I want to take away all my tools, take away all the parts and bolts, and pressure wash the frame, pressure wash everywhere where I'm going to be working, pressure wash this entire area, and get all this crap off the frame machine, get it all cleaned up. we are ready to go ahead and pull our frame rail. As you can see, I have my acetylene torch here. I have my fire extinguisher there. I've got my secondary fire extinguisher here. And I've got my third fire extinguisher. This is probably the most effective one. I see them using these at the car takeovers. You know, when they light themselves on fire, they'll start beating each other with these little extinguishers. And seems like it works pretty well. So what I'm gonna do is also I put this heat shield on right here. As you guys can see, it wraps all the way around. And what that is going to prevent is the flames from going around the backside and possibly burning something that we do not want burnt. So I'm gonna heat this sucker up and we're gonna give it a little pull and let's just see what happens to it. So as you guys can see, I have done some mild heating, very mild. I have not heated it very much yet. And it's not going at all, like at all. It's not even moving, man. I'm gonna let the air build up a little bit more and see what happens, but I'm starting to think that maybe possibly this frame may not be able to be saved. Okay guys, so as I was pulling up top, I noticed, I was like thinking, dang, this frame is looking kind of weird. It looks like it's bent in another spot. So I climbed up inside here, up underneath the vehicle, and look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my good, yeah, that's it. That's the end. That's the end of this procedure. So as you guys just saw, there's no moving forward with this frame job. There's just no, that's it. It's over. And I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. What I'm doing is I'm deciding that this frame is not savable. As a smart, logical human being, there's no way to save this frame. And you guys can see it. I mean, it's evident. I'm not being lazy, obviously, because I would love to save this frame, but there's no saving this frame, bro. No, bro, dude.
I said that the first time I saw the truck.
Okay, Paul said that, but you know me, I'm an optimist.
It's very optimistic.
I'm an opportunist and an optimist. What you doing there, Paul?
We're gonna try to program the LED light.
The LED light?
Daytime light.
Well, I got you a little present. Since you own BMWs a lot, and you know how BMWs are.
What is that, AAA roadside service?
Well, it's not that good, but check this out.
This is like a small.
That right there is an ANCEL OBD scanner.
ANCEL? This ain't for me.
So basically what that is it's a scanner that you plug into your car,
Okay.
you mount it,
Okay.
and then it connects to your phone. And if your check engine light comes on, it will, yeah, it's very convenient. If your engine light comes on, or if you have any kind of issues, you can automatically pop your phone out. Of course, not while you're driving. Do it when you're safely stopped.
Can you actually use this to clear the codes?
Let's find out.
There we go. All right. They show you everything. Let's see what else it's got. O2 sensors. Rich to lean. Look at that. You can get all the information you need. 1, 2.
So basically anything that happens to your car, you can scan.
Look, you can do a brake, an accelerator, distance. You know, if you want to check your 0 to 60.
Hey, that's a pretty cool thing. Guys, check these things out on Amazon. They're like 60 bucks. And it can literally tell you a bunch of stuff that you would never know unless you had a scanner. And you have a scanner right here on your phone.
I got one of these things saved my life one time in that Chevy, that Duramax I had. I got off on the highway and I punched it and the transmission slipped and went to lip mode at a red light. It would not move, and I accidentally put it. Well, didn't accidentally. I was like, I'm gonna put it in park and put it back in drive. I put it in park, it wouldn't come out of park. Luckily, I had the, you know, it was tuned. I had the little hand control. Cleared it at a red light. As soon as it cleared, it went in drive, kept going.
There you go. See, that's already a big plus right there. And then with cars like BMW, sometimes, man, this thing goes into limp mode. It's gonna stay like in second gear.
No, you're screwed.
You're not going anywhere. So guys, go check it out on Amazon. I'm gonna drop the
check
link
this
in the
out.
description.
Look, you can check the battery. I didn't see this. Look at this.
That's pretty cool.
Flashlight.
It's even got a flashlight.
A flashlight? I think you didn't pronounce all the letters.
Guys, this thing is really cool. Out of all the code scanners that I have tested out, I think this one takes the cake, simply because it's just something that you pop in your car, you leave it in there, it's always connected to your phone, you turn on the app, you open it up, it tells you your problems, and you know, you can even get in there if you get curious and you know, just study your vehicle a little bit.
Just play with it.
Just play with it, man.
That's pretty cool.
I really can't wait. I don't know if I can't wait to post the video or if I can't wait to ride it. But either way, it's going to be super awesome. I hope you guys stay tuned and hit that like button. And also, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. You know, I'm a numbers guy. I like seeing them numbers get pumped up. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.